Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The large Asia-Pacific bourses advanced. This was led by a nearly 6% rally in Hong Kong after it returned from vacation. Stoxx 600 Europe, which has increased more than 5% in 3 days, is 0.9% lower in late morning turnover. U.S. equity futures are lower following the S&P 500's best 2 days since 2020. The dollar is stronger against G10 currencies. The New Zealand dollar holds its own, despite the central bank's announcement of what appears to be a hawkish 50 pip increase. Gold is now being offered after it rose to $1,730 yesterday. It could be retraced towards $1,700 in the near term. The December WTI is consolidating following a rally of around 8.5% earlier in the week, as OPEC Plus decision is awaited. Speculation about a significant nominal cut has helped to lift prices. Asian Pacific market. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand gave the 50 bp expected increase, but acknowledged that it had also considered a 75 bp move. It also indicated that further tightening would take place. Next meeting will be held on November 23. The dollar was affected by softer U.S. yields. It traded today at JPY 143.50, slightly lower than its 7-day low. The final reading showed that both Australia and Japan had their composite PMI and final service revised higher. Yesterday, the Australian dollar was at $0.6550, but it has not been able to sustain gains above $0.6520 today. Market of Europe. As the North American session begins, the UK Prime Minister Truss will speak to the Tory party conference. Sterling was a bit closer to $1.15, but couldn't hold on and has been relegated to around 113.80. In the Eurozone, the final PMI was disappointing. According to the flash estimates, conditions have deteriorated further in the Eurozone since the Big Four preliminary readings were revised lower. Yesterday's euro was at $1, its highest level since September 20, when it remained stuck near that mark. It has since been offered a better deal today, falling slightly below $0 and 9,925 cents during early European activity. Market of America. In September, weekly initial jobless claims dropped to 5-month lows. The ISM Manufacturing Employment Index, however, fell below 50 for the 4th month. JOLTS reported that the labor market was improving, with nearly 1 million job openings dropping to their lowest level in 14 years. The ADP report due today may be the focus of attention. But remember that they have modified their model and stated explicitly that it is not intended to predict the national figures. The US dollar was sold yesterday to almost 1.35 after finishing last week slightly higher than CAD 1.38. Today, the Canadian dollar is losing favor as US equity index futures have lost their gains from 2 strong advances. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.